What would you recommend for confidence? Okay, this is what I recommend for confidence. Then I'll go back in here and see what people said. Confidence, it takes practice. It takes practice to build confidence. I do suggest that you sing in front of the mirror. Sing in front of yourself first. Continue to sing in front of you. Then add a person slowly. One person, two people. It'll help to build your confidence. And the people that you do sing around, do not sing around negative people. Sing around people who are encouraging, not negative people, because negative people give you a negative vibe and give you the wrong energy. The reason I state that is because they could take you down instead of bring you up. So with confidence, start with yourself. Look in the mirror. Add people as you go. And it'll help to build confidence. And you need a teacher to help build your confidence. Because sometimes you are your worst enemy when you are singing. You are your worst enemy. You think you sound like trash and crap. Okay? And you'll beat yourself up when it's not even necessary.